Hello everybody, and thank you for watching this video. In this video, I want to just do a practice, and I want to show you how to import the data, how to do some basic setting in Power BI, and step by step we will have to know how to develop a dashboard. That's why please be with me. Okay, as you can see here in the screen, this is the first page of Power BI, and here I'm selecting the blank report. In the opening page, okay, today I have a scenario with me here, and I'm going to follow this scenario and show you how to scenario is working. Okay, in this scenario, the first step is importing the data. The data that I have here is the Excel file. That's why I go and select the Excel workbooks. Then I can go and find my data. This is the data that I have. Maybe you download the data and you save anywhere. Doesn't matter, you can go and select the data. But let me give you one suggestion. If you have downloaded the data, it's better you create a folder and put the downloaded data with the latest recorded Power BI file in same folder. Okay, this is just only one very uh, friendly advice. Okay, maybe you can put your data somewhere else as well, but in this way it works better. From here, you can come and select which table that you want to import. For this, I can select all tables that I have, except this table. I don't want this table. And okay, the first step is importing data. Import the sample data set into Power BI. Yeah, I already doing. But they're asking for data validation, okay? Means that I need to check the data validity before I import. That's why I select the transform data here. Waiting for transformation to open the Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, you can see here that we have three tables that you can go in between the tables. Okay. Then you can see the data. I just refresh because I want the latest version to be here. Then how to check the quality of the data? As you remember, you can go to view, turn on the show white space, column quality, column distribution. And with this very simple steps, at least you can see the validity of data in each column is 100%, error is 0, empty is 0. And actually, I didn't change the data set, and you just need to do this later on. This is for your practice only, okay? But somehow you have validity below 100, then you can fix it. Then this is another thing. But here in this data set, we no need to go for it. Okay, my data is good and no need to spend more time here. I close and apply to Power BI. Then I need to wait a moment to import data into the Power BI, and that it takes a bit time. Depends this time depends to how fast is your computer and also how big is your data set. That's why there are few items, but the most important is the size of the file and the speed of your computer. Okay, now the data is almost here. How I can be sure that my data is here? From here, you can see the order, people, returns are all here. And it's very good sign that I imported data and the data is already here. And this is a good sign. That's why now is the time for me to go and start my work. Okay, the third question that I have here is dashboard design. In the dashboard design part, I have question number 3 to question number 9. The first thing that they ask me to design is a one column chart. Okay, from the, let me start the magnifier because I want you to see better. Okay, in the magnifier, as you can see here, I go and select the tools. This is the column chart. I select the column chart. Okay. And you can see now here, the column chart is already imported. Now I don't touch the size and everything. So, okay, just only maybe a bit make it bigger and back to the normal. Okay, this is the first tool that I want to have. For this practice, you need to do all tools in one page. Okay, that's why please consider to adjust your tools in the best way to show the best. Okay, the column chart is to create a column chart displaying the total sale by category. Okay, I come to the order table. Category is the x-axis and total sale is sales here. And then I put here. Okay, somehow maybe you said that do I need to make a total sale factor? Then summation of the sale, whenever you bring the sale here in the y-axis, it's changing to the summation. Summation of sales is the total sale. That's why you no need to do any other changes. This is the first graph that they asked me to do. Okay. Uh, for your assignment, this is the level of accept. Means that if I see that you have this, it is accepted. But you can get the full mark if you design it in the very well term design. Colors, fonts, for example, the header, title. As long as you make it better, looks better, you will gain more marks. Okay. That's why this is the first question in this part. The second one is asking for line chart. Okay, I select the line chart from here. Yes, line chart is here. And the line chart is based on profit over order date. Okay, I have the order dates here, as you can see. I put in the x-axis order dates, and I put the profit here in the y-axis. Yeah, this is something that you can see. Maybe somehow you see something like this. Okay, means that when you import, you see something like this. Okay, doesn't matter. If you want to make it 30 years, drill down, drill up. You remember from before that you can use this item to drill up, drill down. Okay, this is just only for your purpose of use. But something like this is acceptable again, as much as you make it better, the color, the fonts, the size, and everything, you will get better marks. Card visual, add a card visual to display the total sale. Okay, I import the card for total sale. Where is the total sale? Sale is here. When I put it sale here, is total sale. Summation of sale is total sale. But as here as asking, I need to put a title for it. I go here, put the title as total sale. Okay, it's not in top title like this. Okay, again, you have this chance to make it looks better. Okay, this is not that, but of course, I'm looking to see something very special from your side. The third one is a slicer. Include a slicer for region, filter the dates. Okay, that's why from here I select the slicer and based on the slicer based on region. Okay, region here. I put the region in the slicer. I have three region, then I put that three region here in the slicer. Then it's your turn to select which one you want to, where you want to put this slicer, okay, to looks better. Yeah, in the middle, or you want to rearrange to, for example, something like this. I put all the graphs here. The number total cell I put on top of the graph, and the slicer I put on top of this. Okay, this is all back to you, how you want to make, or you want to make border for your graph, change the color, change the font. Do this because honestly, this is something that I'm looking for. I don't want you just to a very plain dashboard. I want you to do something very eye-catching. Let's go to question number 7, map visual display. Design a map visual plotter sales by city. Okay, map visual is here. Okay, sales by city. Let me see, find where is the sale. Hmm, by city. Okay, that's why let me change from the city to estate. This looks better. And what is that? Another sales. Sales, you don't put the sales in the legend. Okay, sales in the bubble size. It's very important that you do this right. Okay, and you will get the marks if you do it right. Don't forget. That is something that they requested. For example, right now you see, I'm not sure my graphs all is the same size, but your graph should be very nice. For example, this is 3 block here. All 3 blocks need to be in the same size. You know that how to do. Just only for your info, you go to the format visual, general, and in the properties, you can give the size and fix the size for all here. For example, all size I want to be the height 300 uh, or something on the white. For example, 450. I want to fix it to 450. This one also I want to have it 450. Then this one also I want to have it 450. Okay. Then you see there is the overlap. Then I can bring it like this just to it looks better. Okay, up to you, but I want to see something very special from your side. That's why the map also is already here. Table visual, create a table showing the order ID, customer name, sales, and profit. Sorted by profit, descending order. Okay, since we want to have one table, let me bring this map here. Make it a little smaller. I want to bring a table. Table is here. Table now is coming. What are the items that they're asking? Order ID. Order ID, I put here. Customer name. Customer name is here. I put in the second line. Sales and profit. Sales and profit. Profit. Yes, profit also is here. Yes, I have all requested data. And you can make table longer to be matched with other items and also they're asking to have descending order. Descending means yeah, we need to select from here to be ascending or descending. Now it's ascending, now it's descending. Descending means that it's started from the lowest to the highest one. Okay? Okay, now it's asking me for one pie chart. Okay, maybe I make this table too big. That's why I make it a smaller. Okay, to have enough space for pie chart. The next tool that I have is a pie chart. I import. Pie chart is display the proportion of the sales by category. Okay, the pie chart should be same data, showing the same data as this chart here. That's why this two is similar. I select the pie chart. Pie chart is here. I bring it here, make it bigger. And the sales by category, value is the sales, and legend is category. This is the what they're asking for pie chart. Okay. The second part also over. Okay, the third part we have interactivity and analysis. Okay, interactivity ensures that selecting a region in the slicer, update the column chart, map chart, and pie chart. Normally is doing, for example, if I select this, you see everything is changing. Okay, this is the thing that they're asking. I don't want you to go for disconnecting. Okay, that's why I give you this example. But you know that if you want to disconnect, you can select the format and edit interaction. For example, I want to disconnect this region from this number. Okay, I just select the noun here, then close the interaction. Now, if I select the central, everything is changing except the total cell. South, everything is changing except. But here I don't want this. Okay, here I just want you know that these all are connected. Filter, apply a filter to exclude the order with a profit less than zero. Okay. To apply the filter to entire a page, this filter should be goes to entire the page. You need to go and select profit less than zero. Here, I put the profit in this column, in the filter column. I just want to see the orders that they are more than zero, a greater than or equal to zero. Apply the filter. See, this is something that you need to have. Okay, I already applied the filter and I already answered the question number 11. 12, hierarchy, add a hierarchy for order date in the line chart to enable drill down functionality that is already there. Okay, we have this hierarchy. Okay, means that whenever I see your line chart, I need to see that you have this drill down and drill up on your line chart. This is already there. You don't need to do anything. See, most of the question you don't need to do anything. It's already is there, and you just this is just only for review that you know. Okay, this is something that I already did. Number 13, tooltips. Add a custom tooltips to the column chart. Display a map when hovering over a column. Okay, now they're asking me a tooltips. I open a new tab. I go to design, canvas setting, make it as a tooltips. Okay. So if you want, you can make it a smaller. By the way, then you import one field map. Okay, then I make the map bigger. I put for example, a state in the uh, location. Okay, and nothing else. That's all. Just only change the name. You can right click here, rename, remove the current name to tooltips map. Just only some name to later on I can address better. I already created. I come back to the first page, the main dashboard that I have. Here I select the what is that chart, and here from here I go and select the design format visual, then second tab tooltips, and here from the page I select the map. Once I go on top, then you can see that this is the map for that particular because it's selected on south. Maybe there's something is not showing. Yeah, here this is the something that they asking me to change the tooltips to make. It doesn't matter that what exactly is showing, just only this amount is good to see that you did. Okay, that's good. And the last conditional formatting, apply the conditional formatting to the profit column in the table to highlight high and low profit. Okay, for this purpose, you need to go back to the uh, profit. Okay, and this can be combined with the question number 15, advanced feature. In the question number 15, you see the calculate column. Create a column, classify order to high profit and low profit. Okay. For this question, high profit and low profit, for example, it's a 1,000, but maybe we can change this question to profit more than zero and lose. Okay. For less than zero. Okay, then I just create a column. How to do that? New column. Okay, new column is uh, generated. I just delete the name and put the name as the profit or lose. Okay. Then here I try to calculate if I have a if function tab. If what I want to have the logic. Logic is based on the profit. Profit in which table? In order table. That's why I say order, order, the which column in the order? Profit, profit, yes, here, tab. If this item is more than equal to zero, then quotation, you do write profit. If not, no need to write if not, you remember, just only putting here lose. Okay, and enter. The calculation is going to be done. Okay, now we have one new column, profit. Let's see if the calculation is going down. We can see that how many percent is the profit, how many percent are the loss. Okay, for all whatever is negative, it's called as a lose, and for all whatever is positive, is called as a. How can I see this? I can go back here. I can open a new tab, go with one pie chart, and profit or lose is the legend, and the value also is the profit. Um, yeah, yeah. Okay, I can just only see that in this company, uh, 80%, 80.72% of the project are lose, and 81% of the project have a profit. Okay, this is something that you can generate, but just only for here, you need to generate this column. Measure, develop a measure to calculate the average sales and display it in using a card visual. Okay. Average, they asking me to create a new measure. I come to the first page, new measure. Okay, the new measure that they're asking me is average sale. Okay, this average sale, I'm using the average function for which item from order table, which column sale. Okay, close, enter. Now you have a one average sales here, and they ask me to add a card for it. I select the card. You see the card is generating here. Average sale I put here, and this is the average sale for this. Just put it here. Okay. Where is it that you can have a very nice average sale to just show that how much is the average sale. For example, in the central, this is the average sale. In the east, this is the average sale. This is the average sale in each area that easily you can do the calculation. Okay, the measure also done. And now going to the last two questions, logo and identification. I requested you to put a logo. If you remember, insert picture or image. Okay. Then let me see, do I have any logo here? Okay. Okay, I'm using the university's logo. Okay. You can select whatever you want. Okay, just only you need to have some logo in the corner. Okay, and import logo in question number 17 and add your name and a student ID. Okay, for add your name is a text box. You put the text box, you bring the text box next to this. Your name, okay, and the student ID. Okay, you need to put it here and give the suitable font for maybe for example 20, then give some other color, for example, whatever. Okay, you need to have something. Don't forget that in each dashboard that you design need to have your name and a student ID. The dashboard without name and a student ID fail. The dashboard with the repeated student ID fail. Okay, this is very important that you need to have it. This is all done. Now I need to save my file. I go to File, Save. Okay, when you want to save the file need to save under your name and student ID in the file name. Okay, for example, it's my name dash student ID. Okay, then I select where I want to save. For example, option, browse. Okay, for example, I'm saving in my download. My name dash student ID. Yes. This is what you cannot see, but you know that right now on the top is changed to my name dash student ID. This is the file that you need to send me. Okay, don't forget that you need to send this one. And one more thing that you need to send. Okay, after you finish all, this is something that is basic. You with this dashboard, you only can be passed. Okay, how you can get good marks when you have a better design. For example, I can here come to the modeling view. Yeah, here is the some template. Okay, from the template, I can select some template like this. Okay, you see, it's not looks nice. You need to just adjust it, but at least there is something. Okay, or yeah, something like this. I'm looking for some better view, okay? I don't want something very basic. I want to see something very professional from your side in terms of design, okay? Design, you already know how to do that, the titling and everything, okay? Don't forget to screenshot from this page and submit two files, okay? One Power BI file, okay, that you generate is finished, you save and send to me and submit to BLMS. And another one is the a screenshot. Don't forget to add the screenshot as well. These two are required. Maybe in case I cannot open your Power BI file, at least I can see. By the way, if I cannot open the Power BI file or the photo, I will drop message in the WhatsApp group and you need to reply me very fast, okay, to get your marks. This is all you need to do and ensure that all visuals are interactive and connected. Design the dashboard to be clear, professional, and user-friendly. Follow the best practice for data visualization to enhance readability and insight. Thank you so much and wish you all the best. And of course, if you spend enough time on this, you can design something very nice. And I'm looking to see something very professional from your end. Thank you so much and good luck.